Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to use Glassdoor without login. So guys, the first thing that you need to do is go to glassdoor.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Glassdoor. But if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Glassdoor videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the Glassdoor website where we have a lot of different options. So basically, we have the community where you can go and put your posts. So by clicking on this button here, you can see some other people's posts for you in the trending. Also, we have the jobs where guys, you can go and search for some jobs. So you can go and search for some jobs that you would like to go and apply for. So you just need to click on your define job here and the location, and then you need to click there and to find those jobs. Here we have the companies. Find a workplace that works for you. This is a new feature. If you have an employer in mind, you can search for a company by clicking here in the search bar. And we have the salaries, where you can see here, are you paid fairly? Find out. Click your job title here, put your location, and that's all. And in the top right corner, we have your profile, job activity, contributions, settings, help center, and the sign out option. But guys, now let's see how actually you can use Glassdoor without login. Well guys, unfortunately, Glassdoor cannot be used without a login. So you need to create an account, which you can, of course, as I said, go to our YouTube channel and see how you can do that. But you need to do that because this platform cannot be used without a login. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, pull the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.